Good evening. Anything that we discuss today is going to be for educational purposes. I'd like to welcome you all to Digital Trading Floor. It's a platform where we disseminate financial data in real time to provide actionable insights using live streaming technologies. So follow along as I navigate the market by trading in my own account, and hopefully you will learn how I analyze the data in real time to make trading decisions. The purpose of making this video is to analyze Nifty on multiple time frames and framing a view for tomorrow, that is 19th January. Apart from the index, we would be discussing our stock watch list. So let's start by analyzing Nifty on multiple time frames. So this is the monthly chart of Nifty 50 spot. So as you can see, it is under control of buyers above 13,996. And if we see the weekly time frame, here you will see we have a situation in which market is under control of sellers. So on the monthly time frame, market is under control of buyers, and on the weekly time frame, market is under control of sellers as it is trading below its opening price. So straight away we have conflict among larger time frame participants. And if you will notice that on the daily time frame, today weekly time frame as well as the new daily time frame opened. So weekly candle and the daily candle today are almost identical. Due to that reason, however, if we see the daily time frame, you will see that from price action perspective we are making lower highs and lower lows. So on daily time frame, Nifty is in a downtrend based on the price action. So based on the daily time frame, we get the following scenario for tomorrow. Above 14,281 levels, we can trade towards 14,399 levels, and above that 14,459 levels, and potentially 14,523 levels to the upside. However, on the flip side, below 14,222 levels, we can trade towards 14,158, 14,078, and potentially 13,985 levels. And neutral price range for tomorrow is 14,281 to 14,222. So it is the neutral price range in which one can refrain from making any trades in the index. Now we are going to be analyzing our stock watch list. The stocks that we would be focusing on tomorrow are Britannia as well as ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. So if we see Britannia on monthly time frame, it is under control of buyers, and on the weekly time frame, uh, it is an inside weekly bar. However, this week it is under control of sellers so far, and on the daily time frame we had an inside candle. So tomorrow what we'll be looking for is breakout to the upside as well as the downside. So we'll be looking for breakout in either direction of today's high low range. Above 3665.1 levels, we would have time frame continuity to the upside on all the time frame, monthly, weekly as well as the daily time frame. That is, it would be a scenario in which buyers would be uh, um, relatively strong in the market, as it would be trading above all the time frames opening price, and on the flip side below 3574.95 levels we can potentially trade lower towards lower level, and we would also have a situation of time frame continuity to the downside. It would be a scenario in which sellers would be relatively aggressive, as on all the time frames market would be under control of sellers, as it would be trading below the monthly open, weekly open as well as potentially daily open. And in today's high low range, we will not be making any trade in Britannia. And our final stock for tomorrow is ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. So on monthly time frame, it is under control of buyers. On the weekly time frame, it is again under control of buyers. And on the daily time frame, we have an inside candlestick. So same for ICICI Prudential Life Insurance, we look for breakout in either side of today's high low range. So above 513.2 levels, we look for buying opportunity, and below 497.85 levels, we look for selling opportunity. And in between the high low range, we'll not be making any trades in ICICI Prudential Life Insurance. And if you remember, we also are tracking weekly inside candles. So all these stocks, 17 stocks, their inside candles on weekly time frame have broken to the downside. Bata India, Cummins India, Hindalco, Indiabul Housing Finance, ICICI General Insurance, Indus Tower, JSW Steel, MFSL, MGL, Naukri, RBL Bank, SBI Life, Shriram Transport Finance, Tata Steel, Torrent Power, VEDL, and ZEEL. So all these stocks are good for basically shorting in the market. That is, we can short these stocks on pullbacks for this week, as all these stocks they have broken their weekly inside candle to the downside. Finally, I would like to summarize that Nifty tomorrow can trade above 14,281 levels, and beyond that it can trade towards 14,399 and potentially 14,459 levels. And on the flip side, below 14,222 levels, we can potentially trade towards 14,078 levels. And our stock watch list comprises of inside candles on the daily time frame, ICICI Prudential Life and Britannia. So inside candles, they're formed when there is an equilibrium between both the buyers and the sellers. So we'll look for breakout in either side of today's high-low range. So if they break today's highs, which in tomorrow context is going to be previous day highs, we look for buying opportunity. And if they trade below today's low, in tomorrow's context, it is going to be previous day lows. So we look for selling opportunity in these two stocks, ICICI Prudential Life Insurance and Britannia. And finally, I would like to thank you all for watching this video. Do hit the like button and check out the description section of this video. There you can find link to all our recent blog posts. And do hit the like button, share this video, subscribe to Digital Trading Flow YouTube channel. And once again, thank you for watching.